An external fabric sleeving on a DIY cable can increase the bulk, durability, aesthetics, and the flexibility of a cable while reducing the microphonics by replacing a rubbery material with a smooth one. Today we'll be going through the sleeving process of each individual wire. We will use a 2mm paracord on a 1mm wire. Cut the paracord to the desired length. Take note that if the internal diameter of the sleeve is close to or smaller than the outer diameter of the wire, you will need to cut the length at least 20% longer than the wire. Remove the internal strands of the paracord and seal the ends of the paracord with a flint lighter to prevent them from fraying. Slide the wire into the opening of the paracord. If the wire is smooth enough, you can slide it all the way through. If not, you can maneuver around it by doing the following motion. Identify where the wire end is located in the sleeve. Hold the end part lightly and pinch the inner wires about 2 inches away. Push the pinched wire towards the holding part to move the wire forward. Once the sleeve is sufficiently compressed, pinch down on the wire using the holding fingers and pull the sleeve backward. Repeat this process until the whole wire is sleeved.